What cable do I need to connect my laptop to a monitor using HDMI?
Hello there. Have you ever wondered how to connect your laptop to a monitor using HDMI? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the type of cable you need for this task. This guide will enable you to extend or duplicate your laptop screen, enhancing your productivity or entertainment experience. The key tool you need is an HDMI cable.
What is an HDMI cable?
HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It's a type of digital connector that can transmit high-quality video and audio signals. HDMI cables are commonly used to connect devices like laptops, gaming consoles, or streaming devices to monitors or TVs. These cables come in different types such as standard, high-speed, premium high-speed, and ultra-high-speed. However, for most laptop-to-monitor connections, a high-speed HDMI cable will suffice.
How to identify an HDMI cable?
Identifying an HDMI cable is pretty straightforward. HDMI cables have a unique flat, rectangular shape with one edge slightly smaller than the other. They're often labeled with HDMI and may also indicate the type, such as high speed, on the cable or packaging.
How to connect your laptop to a monitor?
Once you have your HDMI cable, connecting your laptop to your monitor is a breeze. Here's how to do it. 1. First, locate the HDMI port on your laptop and your monitor. They are usually located on the sides of laptops and on the back of monitors. 2. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your laptop's HDMI port. 3. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your monitor's HDMI port. 4. Power on your laptop and monitor. Your laptop should automatically detect the monitor and extend or duplicate your display to it. If not, you may need to manually adjust the display settings in your operating system. And there you have it. With just an HDMI cable, you can easily connect your laptop to a monitor. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity with a dual screen setup or simply want a larger screen for movies or gaming, an HDMI cable is the simple and effective solution. We hope this guide has been helpful and we're looking forward to seeing you again in the next one.